So today I'm going to make a really easy Father's Day present. I've got a plain plaque, some letters that spell out Dad Shed, a glue gun and some spray paint. So to start with, I'm going to use the blue hydro paint to spray the plaque blue. Then I'm going to use the orange paint to spray the letters orange. I'll use the hot glue gun to stick it back all together. Sometimes I find it's easier to use some cardboard if I'm going to use spray paint. Then I can just pick up the thing that I've sprayed and move it to the side without getting paint everywhere. So I'm ready to start spraying. I've already read the instructions on the back of the can, which say to give the can a shake for about a minute, which I've already done. So now I'm ready to go. So while the blue plaque is drying, I'm going to spray paint the letters orange. Same as before, I've made sure to read the instructions on the back of the can. They say to give it a good shake for about a minute, which I've already done, and I'm ready to start spraying. So everything's dried, looking really good. I really like these colours. Now all I need to do is just position all the words and use a hot glue gun to stick them all down. So the glue's dry and I'm all done. It's a really simple little gift for Father's Day that even the kids can help with.